Hey my Minkies, today I will be sharing with you Mink's Lucky Dollar Tree pasta, guys. And you know why it's called Lucky? Because it has everything in it, guys. So we are going to get started because I know y'all waiting for this recipe. So these are the ingredients that I had bought from Dollar Tree. We have the home style meatballs made with chicken, pork, and beef. We also have the beef patties, which I'm gonna use instead of ground meat. We have the garlic pasta sauce right here. Now y'all know I swear by this chicken a la king, guys. I have to have it. I have to have it in this this pasta. So we also have the nacho chicken sauce. Did I just say chicken? Nacho cheese sauce. I don't know what's going on with me. Okay, so we have the smoked sausage, the broccoli cuts, a bag of the broccoli cuts. I also have this Texas toast garlic toast that I will be putting on the side. I also have this classic Alfredo sauce, guys. And I bought this as well, the egg noodle products. It's called wide egg noodles. I got this from Dollar Tree. Now I could not find this at Dollar Tree, but I got it from Family Dollar. So I'm thankful I was able to get it from Family Dollar. So let's get started with these with this recipe, guys. Okay, so you cook your pasta on the side. I cook mine first so I can get that out of the way. So I'm waiting for the rest of my my meat to finish cooking so I can add everything together. So just make sure you cook your pasta on the side. Don't cook it too much because it's gonna cook again in the oven. Okay, so your next step is to place all of your meat into a pot and let it brown. I got my hamburger patties in here, I got the sausages in here, and I also got the meatballs in here. So I want that to brown, so I'm gonna let that go ahead and cook down, and we're gonna season it after it's done. So if you choose to cook it separately, you can do it that way as well, guys, but I'm just trying to save a little bit of time here because it's just I gotta put it in the oven too. Plus you gotta mix everything together. So if you want to try to save time, you could do it this way. If not, you can just cook everything separately, like cook the hamburger patties separately, or cook the sausages separately, or cook the meatballs separately. It's totally up to you. I even thought about putting the meatballs like in a slow cooker and then adding it later, but I was like, you know what, no, I'm just gonna go ahead and just add it like this. I know y'all can't wait for this recipe, guys. I'm curious to know how it's gonna come out because this is my first time making it, but I just thought about it and I was like, oh, I got to make this. So we will see. Okay guys, I am going to stir it, and it's brown enough to me. Look at that. That's exactly how I want it. We're gonna add it to our pot. I done already added my seasonings to it, guys. See how this is how I wanted the sausage, and then the meatballs are here, and the ground meat. So we're gonna go ahead and add it to our pan. Okay, so I mixed everything together. The broccoli I just added in here. I added the stir fry veggies that I had got from Family Dollar. So now we're gonna add the pasta in here. And my pasta is like it's all stuck together, guys, but that's okay. I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna put it in pieces and I'll be back. Okay, so I kind of breaking these up whenever I had poured the noodles in the bowl, I should have put some oil on it. I don't know why I did that. I always have problems with my noodles, not sure why, but I guess that could be the reason, because I didn't pour it in there right after it came out of the pot. But you know, guys, we make mistakes along the way. Whenever we're doing a recipe, we learn for the next time. So I always say this: you make a mistake is the best mistake ever, because you know, you learn something from it and you try not to do it again, or it still comes out great even if you made that mistake, and I believe it's gonna come out great. So we're just gonna continue to break this up. And it doesn't have to be broken up little chunks, just so it could be all over, you know, because I'm gonna add the sauce in a little bit. I just didn't want it to be in these huge big chunks, but this should be good. It's gonna break up. I'm gonna stir it up once it heats up in the oven. This is already looking appetizing. Like, I really can't wait to taste this, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the sauce and I'll be back, guys. Alright, so we're gonna first add our chicken a la king in here, and y'all know I love this stuff. I can cook that with a lot of things, a lot of recipes. So we got 2 cans like that. We're just gonna add it throughout the whole dish. Next, we're gonna add our classic Alfredo sauce. And I got like 3 cans like that. Okay. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna add is our nacho cheese sauce. We're gonna just add that throughout the whole dish, because we're gonna mix all of that together. Now I did get some garlic pasta sauce. It's up to you if you want to add that or not. It's optional, really. I didn't think we was gonna have this much sauce, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna add it or not now, but we're gonna see, like once I see how it comes out, because I don't want to add too much sauce. Now if you want to, maybe you can add just a tad bit of it. I don't want to add too much, so I'm just gonna add just a little bit of it in the middle, like that. And I still have a good bit left over. I can save that for another dish. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and stir everything together. It may not look appetizing right now, guys, but y'all know I said that the last time, and my other recipes, like, it don't look appetizing now, but towards the end, baby, it will look good. So just gonna mix that all in there. I'm trying not to scrape the bottom of the pot because I got like some fall paper down there, but just keep doing that, guys. I think this is gonna come out so good. Like, I think I made the right choice to just add a little bit of pasta sauce, because I had more than enough of cheese sauce and Alfredo sauce. It's gonna come out really good, guys. And how I know that, because I ain't never tasted this before, this is my first time making it, is because I just have this thing to where I can just look at my food and know that it's gonna come out good once it's finished cooking. That's just me. It's gonna come out good. And we're gonna season this again because I want it to be seasoned throughout the whole thing. All right, let's go ahead and season right now, guys. And this is not meat, so I'm gonna lightly season it because I don't want to season it too much. And I don't think I want to put any cayenne pepper. I'm gonna put I just put all-purpose seasoning and black pepper. I don't think I'm gonna add any cayenne pepper because I don't want it to be too, this type of dish I don't really like it to be too spicy. It's just gonna throw it off to me. So we're gonna keep stirring that in there. Look at how that seasoning looks on it, guys. Can y'all imagine? Just mix that up, guys. How is your day going? I hope your day is going fine. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell if you got so you can be notified each time I post a new video. Also, check out my other videos, guys. I have recipes, other stuff, snack reviews on my channel, all that. Check out my other social media handles as well. You might find something interesting that you like. All right, guys, look how this looks. Oh my goodness, guys, you know what I should have added to this? Some potatoes. I know that would have looked good, but you know what, you learn for next time. But I just know this is gonna come out so good. Mink's pasta dish. Mink's I don't know what I had said, but I'm gonna put it on the screen, y'all. I just named it, so, but this is gonna be good. It's gonna be really good and cheesy. But I came up with this one myself. I ain't seen nobody do it. So it's gonna be Mink's pasta dish. Nobody else this one. Unless y'all wanna try, just share it, you know, and say, oh, it's Mink. Mink made it. All right, so I already got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and put this in there for an hour, but I'm gonna check it like in 30 minutes just to make sure, because this is my first time doing this. I don't want it to overcook, you know. So we're gonna cover it as well. We're not gonna leave it out. We're gonna uncover it towards the end and put it back in so it can kind of get that crust on the top. And I'll be back, guys. Okay, y'all, I added some parsley flakes on top, so I forgot to add that part in there. So just wanted to let y'all know that you don't have to add that, but it's optional. Y'all, it came out so good. Look at this. And I'm waiting for my garlic bread, and we will take a bite to see how it tastes, guys. Okay, guys, this is how it came out. I put it in a bowl. This looks so good. Like, I cannot wait to taste it. Look at that. So good. Got to mention that you can put it in the oven, I would say, for about 45 minutes to an hour. It's totally up to you, but I did 45 minutes and it came out perfect for me. So just make sure you do that. I wanted to let you guys know that on 350 degrees. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and taste this casserole because I want to see how it tastes. It looks so good, and I gotta taste it with y'all. Let me get a good bite in. Okay, so here it is, guys. Okay. Very cheesy, super flavorful, and all the meat just blends in so well, guys. You have to taste this, and I'm not kidding. Like, oh my gosh, to me it kind of gives off a soupy feel, but then it's not. It's like a casserole. So I'm like,
I love this. I didn't even put cayenne pepper in here, but I can taste a little bit of spice. A little bit of spice, and it probably is from the sausages, but it's still good. This is really good, y'all. Really, really, really good. You have to taste this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, please like this video, guys. Share for the world to see so they can make this recipe or see this recipe as well. And also, guys, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. And check out my other playlist, guys. My other recipes that I have available right here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye, my minkies.